So you're trying to decide whether to move or improve. Let's break down that big decision. Feeling a little cramped, like your house is shrinking as your family or your needs grow? Yep, you're facing that classic move versus improve dilemma. It's tough, especially in a market like Lansing's. But what if you could get that extra space without leaving the neighborhood you absolutely love? You've got options. Think a mother-in-law suite, a beautiful sunroom, or even extending the garage. The whole point is working together to create the perfect space, exactly for you and your family. Okay, but what's this actually going to cost? Let's get right into the numbers. Here's a quick look at some typical costs and timelines right here in the Lansing area. So a standard edition like a family room, you're looking at about $200 to $300 per square foot. Now, a multi-gen suite costs more, but that's because it often has its own bath and kitchenette. And honestly, when you add up moving fees and closing costs, adding on is often way more affordable. The most crucial part, though, finding the right partner to manage your project. So what's the secret? You want someone with experience, sure, but also a team dedicated to your unique vision. Hearing from actual clients really says it all, like Samantha Pearl talking about integrity. And listen for words like organized and great communication. That's what makes a project go smoothly. A full-service contractor, they handle the whole shebang, from blueprints to finish work. Way less stress for you. And it all starts with a simple first step, a consultation to see what's actually possible. So, ready to take that next step? Now you've got the info to decide what's right for you.